We are able to retrieve one lifeless body. It's one of the guests of the hotel at ang sabi naman ng hotel management, siya na lang daw yung naiwan na hindi nakalabas. So luckily, we're able to locate him and we're able to retrieve. Unfortunately, he's already lifeless.
So what's the nationality of the victim?
Accordingly, Malaysian national pero dinidetermine pa natin ang kanyang nationality. Dadalhin ho siya sa hospital para makita yung kilanlan pa niya. He is the guest of the hotel, hindi siya doon sa ongoing construction. Unfortunately, yung collapse ng building papunta sa room niya. Kaya natabunan siya, nadaganan siya.
How was the...
Sa ngayon, may nakita tayong dalawa na ongoing po yung kanyang search and rescue. They are conscious. Hopefully, may labas po natin sila ng maaga na hindi pa madilip. Nag-administer na ng first aid sa kanila. Dalawa silang nadaganan yung matanda at saka yung bata. So sinisikap natin na mailabas agad sila.